Hi there! Today I would like to show you the easiest but yet so packed in flavors and yumminess that you can quickly prepare these scallops for a quick appetizer dish or simply enjoy these with your salad. Here are some scallops that I've rinsed and pat dry. I will be pan searing these so less liquids will save me from blisters on my arms. I don't season my scallops with salt because they are sea creatures and added salt it will be too much sodium for my taste. I love onions, so here I have some chopped up green onions, a hot pan, and a couple of tablespoons of oil in the cut onions. Turn off the heat and keep stirring for a minute or two and then set it aside. In our scallops, add a little oil and cook them for a minute each side. Flip them when they are golden brown. I don't want to overcook my scallops either because they can be very chewy. When you're done, place them out evenly on a plate. I don't know why I did round scallops on a rectangular plate. You can use any plate. The presentation does not enhance the taste, but it helps with wanting to eat them. Add some green onions on top. This was overkill, but I just didn't know what to do with the rest of the onions, so I spread them all around. Sprinkle some roasted nut. I have here roasted cashews. Just use your favorite nut. A piece of lime. Just squeeze a few drops of lime juice on each scallop before you serve. I hope you will give this recipe a try. The flavor is awesome. I love the crunchy, nutty sweetness from the onion and a little sour from the lime juice. The combination just make me lost count because I was supposed to only have 3. If you like this recipe, try it next time when you have some guests over. And don't forget to share this video with seafood lovers and give it a thumbs up if you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.